Hi everyone, today we will be demoing the Jamesblends JA21S fully automatic espresso machine, a true bean-to-cup machine that's very easy to use and fully customizable. Fill the water tank with clean drinking water. Next, put your beans into the built-in coffee grinder. Then, fill the milk container and properly attach the milk hose. Once everything is set, you're ready to brew. Just press your preferred drink and do it. The machine does the rest for you. The number 76, or the number shown on the screen, indicates how many times the machine has been used. What's great about the JA21S is that you can customize everything. Grams of coffee beans, ml for espresso, ml for water, and seconds for milk. You can adjust this depending on your taste and preference. For Americano, coffee beans, 7 grams up to 12 grams. Espresso volume, adjustable up to 220 ml. Water volume, adjustable up to 250 ml. This allows you to make your Americano stronger or lighter, totally up to you. The grams and millimeters are adjustable during drink preparation, and the settings will be saved for the next use. For espresso, coffee beans, 7 grams 12 grams. Espresso volume, adjustable up to 220 ml. You're in full control of how strong or long your espresso shot will be. You can also adjust the grams and ml, depends on your preference. For cappuccino or latte, coffee beans, same as 7 grams to 12 grams. Espresso volume, up to 220 ml. Milk dispensing time, up to 60 seconds. You can also adjust the milk seconds depending on how creamy you want to your drink. You can also adjust the volume of espresso, and the milk depends on what you want. The machine can also dispense just one tap for the hot water, adjustable by millimeters, and long press or hold for at least 3 seconds for the milk only, adjustable by seconds. Perfect for tea, hot chocolate, or manual drink customization. There is also a ×2 button, which means the machine will prepare the drink twice. Perfect when serving 2 cups at the same time. When this light turns on and you hear a sound, it means the dupe tray is already full or not properly positioned. Empty the dupe tray or place it correctly before continuing. When the light turns on and you hear a sound, it means there is no water or the water tank is not properly placed. Please refill the tank or make sure it is correctly installed. You can also adjust the grind size of your beans. If you hold the menu for at least 3 seconds, the menu button allows you to adjust other settings like temperature, which is adjustable up to 95 degrees Celsius. This symbol is for the built-in grinder. This symbol is the ×2. This symbol is the other side of the machine, which is open. This symbol is for the not enough water. This symbol is for the deep cleaning. This symbol is for the drip tray. For deep cleaning, press and hold the menu button and press it again until the deep cleaning symbol light turns on. And click OK. Make sure there's a cup placed under the spout so the drip tray doesn't overflow. Replace the milk in the container with water to truly clean the milk hose. The deep cleaning process takes about 8 to 10 minutes. And please make sure the water tank is full before starting. And that's how easy it is to use the Jamesblends JA21S fully automatic espresso machine, perfect for home, office, and commercial use. Just press, customize, and enjoy coffee quality coffee anytime.